The Irish phenomenon on TikTok has just, I think it's risen something by 600,000%.
600% in the amount of content off Gaeilge on TikTok, yeah.
And it's class. And one of my favourite things about it is it's not trying to put Irish down people's throats, but it's people just coming on talking about their mental health, get ready with me's, whatever it is, ask Gaeilge. You've got the likes of Lauren Whelan, who has a huge following, just using her Gaeilge just from Gaelehul, from day to day, without putting a huge emphasis on it. And I love it. And I suppose we've seen different movements with kneecap and everything like that. And I feel like, especially for the younger generation, it's great to see them talk about it in a positive way. I'm sure that the youth can, recite the Carta kneecap song quicker than they can do the Shra Picture in the Irish oral, do you know what I mean? And I think that's the way we need to move with it. Keep it fun. As a teacher, when I was teaching as well, I always tried to keep it as relevant and fun as I could, because it's gone past the days of the textbook language.
Yeah. So we're a fabulous little nation, to be honest, so it's good that our language is being elevated to that degree, because we've people from all over the world now. Sure, there's dancers in Beyonce's tour, Irish dancing around the place.
Isn't that amazing?
It's huge.
Yeah, and there's people coming to Ireland using it, even like the celebrities that are having concerts and whatever like that, they're always using the Cúpla Focal Staunch and whatever like that, so they respect it, so it's so nice for us to give it praise as well.